Hello again, everyone. Hello again, everyone. Today I'm going to show you another trick with my black deck of bicycle cards. But you are going to need to follow along with me. Quick, grab a piece of paper, grab a pen, grab a calculator. You're about to do an amazing trick with me that involves numbers. Yes, it involves numbers. Oh boy. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to have a number calculated on your calculator quite a few times, and it's going to do something amazing. So first, I want you to think of a 3-digit number. Yes, a 3-digit number. It can be any 3-digit number. There's a lot of combinations you can do with the digits, but I need you to get a 3-digit number. Okay, please write that 3-digit number down and type it into your calculator. Please pause the video if you cannot keep up with me. Anyway, next, what I want you to do is I want you to repeat that 3-digit number in your calculator. So right now you should have your 3-digit number repeating a second time. Okay. Now, next what we're going to do is we're going to have a card selected. So we're just going to pull it out, and we need a number. If for some reason we happen to get a face card, we'll just repick it, okay? Oh, and by the way, I'll be doing calculations up there while we're at it. Okay, so we have the number 6. So I want you to take your 6-digit number you have right now, and I want you to multiply it by 6. Okay? So you're going to repeat you're going to have your 6-digit number. It's going to be multiplied by 6. I've just done it up there. And now we're going to have the card placed back into the deck. Okay? So we'll just have it placed in right there. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to have your calculator go through a few calculations. And we're just going to pick random numbers, okay? And see if we can get to that card. So if we'll get some calculations off of it, okay? Let me stop doing some talking and we'll get to some actual card stuff. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a card selected by telling me when to stop, which I'll just stop at any random spot right there. And we'll set down a card. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to show this card and we're going to explain some stuff. Okay, so what we have at this moment here is a king. Okay? Now, kings are worth 13, because if you go from 10, jacks will be 11, queens will be 12, and kings will be 13. So take your number you have on your calculator right now and divide it by the number 13. Okay. I'll have this card lost in the deck now. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have some cards selected. So, we're just going to have you tell me anywhere right here. Let me stand up so this makes it a lot easier for me. We'll give it a few cuts while we're at it. Okay, and you're just going to, we'll give the cards a cut, and we're just going to have some cards selected. So we'll just start pulling cards off, and you can just tell me when to stop, which I'll stop anywhere. Let's say we stop right here. We'll take one card off, and now we'll see the card that has been selected. There it is. It's a jack. Now, going from 10, like I said, jacks would be 11. So take your card right now and divide it by 11. I'm sorry, take the number on your calculator and divide it by 11 now. Okay, we'll have that lost into the deck somewhere. Now I'll give the cards some more cuts. Give it a few more. And now we're going to have 2 cards selected. This will be our last mathematical thing. We're going to flip the cards over, and then we're going to go down and do a little bit further. And the first 2 cards we come to will be the cards we use. Now I'm going to multiply these cards together, and then we're going to divide the number on your calculator by this number. So we have 7 and 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So I want you to take your number right now on your calculator and divide it by 42. Now, this is the really cool part. Take a look at your calculator. You should have a 3-digit number. Take a look at the piece of paper where you wrote your 3-digit number. See if you can find the similarity. That's it. I'll show you the sneak peek for the next trick. It's another trick revolving a calculator. So we'll need some dice here real quick, and I've got a prediction set over here. We'll get to that later.
Thank you for watching The King of Spades, and don't forget to check out other Indico films.